Let's talk about one of the biggest missed opportunities in business strategy today, AI-driven competitive positioning. Most companies treat AI like a cost-saving tool. Let's automate. Let's reduce headcount. But the smartest leaders know AI is not just about doing things cheaper. It's about doing things your competitors can't replicate. Think about it. When everyone has access to the same tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever, what actually gives you an advantage? It's how you use AI uniquely inside your business. Your moat is not the model. Your moat is your data, your execution, and your culture of experimentation. Let me break it down. Data advantage. What unique information do you own or generate that AI can learn from? Execution advantage. How fast can your team go from idea to experiment to impact? Human advantage. How do you combine human intuition with AI speed? Companies that get this right don't just stay competitive, they become unfairly advantaged. So if you're a CEO or founder watching this, ask yourself, where is your AI mode? Because in the next 24 months, the businesses that figure that out will dominate the ones that don't.